guys, in this video we'll talk about the MSc Finance and MHRD program. There are 10 things to be taken care of while preparing for that. Yeah, we already know about the ROI point of view. I already have talked about that in earlier video, how good the program is. Obviously, we all have talked about this. But now are the main 10 things which you need to focus on. So starting with the MHRD program, I'll be switching between both of them because there are some people who are going for both the programs. Yes, we have some students. In fact, maximum number of students have joined for both the program because MHR भी करना है और वो भी करना है. Okay, great. So it's totally your wish. So I'll talk about both of them. There's some combining them into one video. So these are the 10 things to be taken care of for MHRD program, and same way for MSc Finance. These are the 10 things to be taken care of. So what we are doing is we're launching the new batch, and a lot of people have joined us. So we're launching the live classes. So all these 10 pointers will be covered from Saturday. So we're launching the new batch from Saturday. So today is Thursday. So 4th, 5th, 6th. So 6th of June, we are launching the batch. Yeah. So in case you want to join us, in the description box I given the numbers. Please call the team and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Starting with the MHRD program, there's a written test first of all. And most probably everything will be online probably in the month of July. Yeah. 20 items for numbers, which is quant, verbal, logic, सब जोड़ के 20 questions. So those who have given CAT exam, this is an easy cake for you. 20 question, 20 items on GK, that is the number 2 part. 20 items will be focused on GK. 20 items on human behavior aspect, 20 items on group dynamics, and 20 items on individual behavior. So group dynamics, how you behave in the group and how you behave as an individual. So this is the total written test of 100 marks. Yeah, so these are the 5 pointers we have to take care. In fact, the first 5 workshop we're going to talk about these things. Yeah, so that we can maximize our marks, and your target score out of 100 is 60. Those who already joined us, just contact our tech support number I've given the description box. They'll add you to the WhatsApp group for the joint student. So in the description box there are 2 WhatsApp groups. One is for the for everyone to join, which is free for everyone to run, and one WhatsApp group is for the joint student. So whichever group you want to join, you can join in the description box. Yeah. So for the paid student group, you have to just WhatsApp the number given below. They'll immediately add you to the group. Yep. So 5 items from the HRD program because there's a written test. MSc Finance, there's no GDPI, there's no written test, so it's comparatively more lighter as compared to other program, as compared to MHRD program. Why finance? Yeah, this is the main question, guys. You have to worry about why finance. Yeah, why HR in that case, and why finance here. This answer should be ready, especially for engineers. Yeah. In this week, I'm going to take an interview of a student of MHRD program who have converted HR program with 4 to 5 years of work ex, hardcore engineering work ex. Engineer 4 years of work ex have joined this program. अगर वो कर सकता है तो आप तो आराम से we can do. So all of you can do that program. ठीक है. So this is what he'll try to say. The interview will be uploaded in next 1 week. Group activity, because there's a group activity here. Interview preparation, VAT, and finance knowledge. These 5 things I want to take care of. So there are already 10 workshops in your login ID based on finance, in which we're going to talk about what is finance, why finance, all the things. Yeah. And we'll be doing a live session as well. And one thing, I'm trying to get the alumni of JBIMS to take all these workshops. Yeah. MSc Finance alumni will be taking MSc Finance workshop. And MHRD ka, again we are trying to get the students from JBIMS, alumni from JBIMS to help us run the show. That is my promise to you. Okay, moving to the next part, SOP writing and a pledge. Now most of people are unaware of there's going to be a pledge you have to sign there. Yeah, so that pledge, how to write that thing, all the thing we'll take care of. Number 6, which you need to take care of. Number 7, group activity. Personal skills, PI skills, all your answers, why MBA, hobbies, everything. HR knowledge and why MBA HR. This is going to be, trust me, make or break question. Why JB? All about JB and HRD program, we need to learn about the faculty. For example, how many of you know about Rebello sir? Rebello sir. Anybody know who is Mr. Professor Rebello? Please comment. Now he is a co-founder of the program. So guys, if you know his name, if you use his name in the interview, Fine. So obviously this will create an impression that we are well learned about this thing. Obviously we're not saying कि मेरे को सर जानते हैं, तुम्हें क्या पता, सर मुझे नहीं जानते, वो अलग बात है, हम ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे. So we'll try to stick to the obviously gender, but we are coming across the informed person. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Same way from the MSc Finance point of view, WorkX and extracurriculars, we have to frame all those answers for WorkX. For extracurricular, my team, we will help you out for that. Telephonic interview, profile building, why JBIMS, all about JBIMS and all about MSc Finance. So these are the 10 questions here. You can take a screenshot of these 10 questions, 10 topics, and these are the 10 lectures we are going to conduct. Yep. So my expected date is around July first week, July second week. We'll have the GDPI, which gives us 30 days to plan that. And all these 30 activities we are going to cover. So every week there are going to be 2 lectures in which we are going to cover up all these things. Yeah. Same way for MSc Finance. These are the 10 topics. So please pause the video and take a screenshot of that. Yeah. So that this is according to that we can prepare ourselves for the GDPI. Okay, so these are the 10 aspects. So wherever you study, just paste in front of you. Now, why JBIMS? Obviously, are public at 95 percentile, you are going to get Chetna, MET, IAS. Fine. But this is a golden opportunity to crack Bajaj. Fine. Average salary, I'm expecting this to be around 15 lakhs. This is my expected salary. Fees is 6 to 7 lakhs and average salary is 15 lakhs. Yeah, so ROI point of view, this is 200%. Okay, so which I believe यार सिडनम का अगर आप ले लो एग्जांपल, सिडनम का एवरेज सैलरी इज 10.95 11 lakhs. सिडनम में 11 लाख और इधर एवरेज इज 15. व्हाई एवरेज इज मोर? बिकॉज इंटेक इज लेस. MHRD program only 20 intake and MSc Finance 30 intake because the intake is less. Obviously that's the main part of the program. घुसने में प्रॉब्लम है, नो डाउट अबाउट दिस, बट एक बार तुम घुस गए तो प्लेसमेंट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बिकॉज द बैच साइज स्मॉल. Yep. All right, all the best. Thank you.